Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have ACER P10 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. When you have the same problem as mine, go back to the main menu, tap on your photo on the right corner and there choose Settings option, in it Family and there Parental Controls. As you can see, now you have PG3. The visible game or application's Mobile Legends game, we need more than PG3. To change it, tap on it, enter our connect pin to parental controls, and we can easily change it from PG3 to maybe allow all included underrated, confirm by got it, and save. You can also turn off your parental controls by switch off. That's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, and now it is visible and we can install it. Thanks for watching, bye!